Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can update your iPhone to the latest iOS. I'm going to show you how to do this manually, but also how you can set your iPhone up so that it can automatically update overnight. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the iPhone that I've got, and basically the first thing we want to do is actually head over to the settings area just at the top here, click on settings. Once you're in your settings, you're going to be presented with all of these options here. We want to scroll down until we find general, which is this one here. Click on general, and then here you can see software update. We can click on that, and it's going to basically look for any potential updates. Now you can see here that there is an update available. You can also see the very top option, which is automatic updates. From here we can install automatically or not. You can have this toggled on and off, and download automatically on and off, and automatically install on and off, right? So ultimately what we want to do is we want all of that ideally ticked, because we want it to be on automatic, right? So automatically downloading, automatically installing, and automatically install everything. So we have that switched on, and then you don't have to worry about this. It will happen basically overnight. But as you can see, there is an update available right now. So I could go ahead and click on update right now or update tonight. I'm going to click on update tonight so I don't disturb this recording right here. I'm just going to quickly put my password in. I'll just cut the video here and bring it back. Okay, so now I've done that. It's basically now scheduling this update for later on tonight. Okay, so that's quite straightforward, and it's how you would basically go ahead and update your iPhone. If you wanted to do it right away, you absolutely could. Just click on update right now. It would download the update and then basically install it for you. And that's really it, guys. That's how you would update your iPhone to the latest iOS. Hopefully this has worked for you. If you found it useful and informative, make sure to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button so you get more hints and tips. I'll catch you in the next one.